Wingfield Scale is excited to announce AllCount, our new app developed to improve your annual physical inventory. This tablet-based app automates the data entry process and can be used to audit counts in real time. Handwritten tags take time and are error-prone, but by automating the process, this app dramatically reduces errors, increasing the accuracy of your inventory. Customers have seen up to an 84% reduction in errors and a 76% faster inventory completion, saving thousands in direct and indirect costs and hundreds of thousands in production costs. At Wingfield Scale, we know that during your annual count, you will face problems like illegible handwriting, data entry errors, incorrect part numbers, and much more. That's why we have created AllCount. It directly addresses these problems by providing real-time audits, faster reconciliation, shorter API, and many more benefits, resulting in a shorter, more accurate inventory, allowing your plant to get back up to production faster. For more information, contact Wingfield Scale.